Step 1. Parts and tools needed. The tank shield consists of two main parts, the main and rear units. Also included is a long red pull rod. There are a number of parts included that you will need to use to assemble the tank shield. You will need a U-bolt, a 2-inch flange, a 2-inch closed nipple ring, 2 nuts, 2 washers, 4 bolts, and 2 cotter pins. Also included is a durable puck lock and key. Step 2. Assembling the tank shield. First, align the main unit to the rear unit. Be sure that both units are aligned properly. Next, you will need to open the main access door. From here you can attach the main unit to the rear unit using the provided bolts. Start by hand tightening each bolt. Then proceed by securely fastening each bolt with a wrench. The two units should now be securely fastened. Step 3. Preparing the tank. Starting off, your tank should look like this. There are a few adjustments that need to be made. First, remove the existing primary vent. Then, remove the fill hose and nozzle. In order for the tank shield to fit properly, the pump envelope must not exceed 17¼ inches wide by 16 inches high. Next, install the 2-inch closed nipple ring with the floor flange, making sure that it is approximately 2½ inches high. Step number 4. Installing the tank shield. Set the tank shield on the tank, making sure to align the floor flanges. When doing this, be sure to put the cord pump in the designated notch. Next, install the provided locking washers and nuts on the floor flange, by hand. Then, proceed by tightening them with a wrench. Slide the pull rod through the holes on either side of the pump until it is all the way in the locking position. Once that is done, there should be 2 small holes on either side of the plate. Insert a cotter pin into each of the holes and bend it so that it is secure. Doing this prevents the pull rod from going too far in or too far out. Next, thread the provided U-bolt under the pump envelope, aligning through tapered holes on the plate, and tighten them down with the provided washers and nuts. Be sure to not over-tighten the U-bolt, otherwise you may bend the pump envelope. Next, you will need to reinstall the primary vent on top of the tank shield. Next, you need to reinstall the fill hose, making sure it is tightened. The pump envelope may need to be adjusted. Also be sure that the hose fits in the designated notch. Now you can close the main access door and secure it with a puck lock. Now your fuel is secure.